Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a gentle, meaningful, real story about not comparing yourself with others. There was a boy named Samir. Samir was a good student. Samir was kind and honest. But Samir had one problem. He compared himself with everyone. If his friend got high marks, he felt small. If someone was better in sports, he felt weak. He often said, "I am not good enough. Others are better than me. I will never be like them." Slowly, Samir lost his confidence. One day, his teacher saw him sad. She asked softly, "Samir, why are you unhappy?" Samir replied slowly, "Everyone is better than me. I feel like a failure." The teacher smiled kindly and took him to the garden. She showed him many flowers. She said, "Look, these flowers. This is a rose. This is a sunflower. This is a jasmine. Are they the same?" Samir said, "No." The teacher continued, "Each flower is different. Each flower is beautiful in its own way. The rose does not try to be sunflower. The sunflower does not try to be jasmine. They just grow as themselves." She looked at Samir and said, "You are also like a flower. You have your own beauty. You have your own time. Comparison steals joy. Growth brings joy." Samir felt something change inside. From that day, he stopped comparing. He focused on himself. He learned slowly. He improved slowly. And step by step, his confidence returned. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10. You are unique. You are special. You are enough. Grow at your own speed. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep loving yourself. And always remember, do not compare. Just grow.